Hey guys, so today is week 1, day 3 of my fitness journey. I'm actually feeling pretty sore from yesterday, mostly my quads and my calves, probably from the jumping air squats, but I took a protein shake and I'm feeling a lot better. So today I'm actually really excited because I'm going to my friend's house. We're going to her gym, and her gym is pretty cool because it has a lot more machines and it has like a huge TV with an iPad that you can choose different workouts from, and then it's huge, so you like follow along, so it's kind of like a class at her own gym. But yeah, so I'm excited for that. We're probably gonna do 30 minutes of cardio, and then we'll do that, and then I can post the workout on the bottom. You guys can do the workout if you want, or you could just watch or take little bits of the workout. But yeah, I'm super excited for that, so we're gonna go right now. So that didn't work. So it's not connecting to the TV, but this still works. So I'm gonna choose a workout.
You say you love me, I say you crazy. We're nothing more than friends. You're not my lover, more like a brother. I know you since we were like 10. Yeah, don't mess it up, talking that shit. Only gonna push me away, that's it. When you say you love me, that made me crazy. Here we go again. Don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going nowhere without a fight. You can't be reasoned with them, don't be impolite. I told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 times. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. F-R-I-N-D-S. You got no shame, you looking insane, turning up at my door. It's 2 in the morning, the rain is pouring. Haven't we been here before? Don't mess it up, talking that shit. Only gonna push me away, that's it. Have you got no shame, you looking insane? Here we go again. So don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going nowhere without a fight. You can't be reasoned with them, don't be impolite. I told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 times. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. F-R-I-N-D-S. R-I-E-N-D-S. That's how you spell friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Get that shit inside your head. No, yeah, F-R-I-E-N-D-S. We're just friends. So don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going nowhere without a fight. You can't be reasoned with them, don't be impolite. I told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 times. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. F-R-I-N-D-S. Even if it makes me blind, I just wanna see the light. Breathe in, leave it all behind. I just wanna see the light. Even if it
Okay guys, that was really hard, but he's awesome. You're beautiful. You're amazing. Try your best. Till next time. Alright, I'm gonna teach you how to do a handstand. This is step one on the